Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. In this video, we want to focus here on the short term because that's at the moment where things are interesting. Volume is very low at the moment. I could suggest that we are still in this wave 4 correction. Explained in yesterday's video that obviously we rallied into our resistance area. Resistance ranges all the way up to 30.4 cents. A break above that could unlock prices to 38.5 cents. This resistance up here around the wave 2 high. However, at present, because the move to the upside is a 3-wave move, it can be counted in a correction. I mean, don't get me wrong, it can always be a leading diagonal. But then again, diagonal patterns, they can follow through, but they can always be a correction. So when I'm looking for a reliable reversal pattern to the upside, I would like to see an impulse, which I don't really see at the moment. Okay, so yes, it could be a diagonal, but at the moment, until I see an impulse above resistance, I prefer another low. And it is possible that this wave 4 has topped yesterday around the ideal target for a wave 4, which is the 38.2 fib level. You can see 28.4 cents, a level I highlighted to you, how relevant it was. It didn't get close here, but got rejected again after trying to break through, and quite an impulsive move down. So it is possible that wave 4 topped now. I'm observing that now, and that we're now in the 5th wave to the downside. In this 5th wave, we have a wave 1 down. We have a wave 2 to the upside, which could be complete, okay? But I cannot confirm the wave 2 here of wave 5 is complete until price breaks below the low of the wave 1. That's at 26.8 cents. And if this wave 5 to the downside has started and these subdivisions are unfolding now, then a 3rd wave target, or the target for wave 3, would be the 1.618 extension of wave 1. That's typically the minimum target, and we talk here about 24.3 cents. We should get then afterwards a wave 4 and a wave 5 to the downside, which would often lead to the 2.618 extension, but it really eventually depends on how long is the 3rd wave going to be. As you know, especially in crypto, 3rd waves can be very much extended, so I would not be surprised by price going a little lower than 24.3 cents in the 3rd wave. However, be aware that today things can turn around quickly, waves can go into their extremes, scenarios can be completed in seconds or minutes when we get a lot of volatility. Well, if we get a lot of volatility around the interest rate decision. At the moment, probabilities suggest no interest rate increase. I don't quite believe it yet, but you know, we'll see. It's either 25 basis points or no interest rate increase. I also don't have the crystal ball, so I don't know. Essentially, it's worth being aware that there can be a lot of volatility, or there's a heightened risk or chance for additional volatility on days like these, especially when the FOMC statement comes out later today. Resistance is 30.4 cents. Imminent resistance is 28.4 cents, and if it breaks below 26.8 cents, there's a good chance to come down to 24.3 and then follow through lower, because it would confirm the impulse to the downside has started. What else to highlight? Well, there is also more support at the X wave low, so breaking below 26 cents would be additional confirmation that the move down is unfolding. And eventually, even though I said to you the wave 5 would likely, with textbook target, would go to 22.2 cents, that would ideally need to go below the 3rd wave low. So that's what I would like to see, which was here at 22 cents. Yeah, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.